I'm a chef, and basically a third of the house is going to be the kitchen.
These all are going in the tiny house.
Everything's gonna fit.
It's gorgeous.
Reclaimed mahogany, quartz countertop, just like you want.
It turned out really great.
We had some gracious friends that said that we could build on their land. You pick out your color scheme and your siding and all that, and you just don't know how it's going to turn out until it's actually up.
The really cool part about it is we don't have to search for a house. We have one that's custom made just for our family that we get to take with us.
This lifestyle is what we want to enjoy, not upkeep on a home. We don't need a big home to enjoy the outside. There's a lot of things about this house that you would be hard-pressed to find on a house that costs $500,000 more.
I love it.
I can't wait to start living here.
We ended up deciding to do all the work ourselves except the shell, the plumbing, and the electrical.
We could really have a say in what's built.
This will seal this place up tight. It's a learning curve on everything, how to frame a wall, how to tile the bathroom.
And every once in a while you hear, ah, ah, he messed up something.